The latest now in the school scandal trial. Next week, the jury will begin deliberating the fate of Aaron Thomas. He's the former North Kingstown High School basketball coach accused of inappropriate contact with students during so-called naked fat testing. Target 12 investigator Tim White joins us now from outside Washington County Superior Court with the latest.
The final two witnesses of this trial were called to the stand today. Both were to refute the testimony of Aaron Thomas earlier in the week.
The state will call Sean Petrucci.
The final witness on the stand, Sean Petrucci, the current athletic trainer from North Kingstown High School, called by prosecutors to refute the testimony of Aaron Thomas.
To see if the muscle was tight or loose and if there were any knots in the muscle.
Are you familiar with any benefit for taking caliper pinches near the abductor muscle?
No.
Are you aware of any benefit for palpating in that area if an athlete is not experiencing an acute injury?
No.
The state first calls Dr. Lori Milliken back to the stand.
Prosecutors also called back Dr. Lori Milliken, a body mass expert from UMass Boston, who listened to all 5 days of Thomas's testimony.
I don't see how that really helps a student.
She testified much of the testing Thomas did on students had no value and did not follow any professional standards.
There's really no purpose to measure it because there's nothing really you can do about it. Same thing with the leg span. If it's mainly driven by height, well, these kids are growing. It's just going to reflect growth.
Under cross-examination, Thomas's lawyer tried to distinguish the difference between a high school coach and an expert.
It's fair to say that you come from a very different background and perspective than Aaron Thomas does.
That's correct.
Here's what happens on Monday. The judge will give an instruction to the jury for their deliberations. Then both parties, first the defense followed by prosecution, will give their closing arguments. In South Kingstown with the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.